Well, go on, guys. Let me start off by saying, Papi, love you know. You know, in Spanish, uno means one, right? See, in a Jamaican, uno means everybody. So when I say I love uno, I mean I love everybody. Papi Show as a team, me, Taya, the kids, we love everybody. We all know what's going on in the world right now with the George Floyd thing, you know what I mean? It's very sad, very heartbreaking, you know what I mean? Thought it was only fitting that Papi Show, do some type of tribute. We all live in a world that it's not fear. And as a black man, it make you want to live in fear. But we have faith, we not fear. We don't work out for the fear thing. So not too many people know that I have a hidden talent, you know? Not really a hidden talent. I'm an artist, like a natural born artist. So I only use it on special occasions, or should I say rare occasions. And I guess this is one of them rare occasions that I felt that, a portrait of the late George Floyd would be cool. And I thought I would just video it for you guys, you know what I mean? If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Papi Show is a lot of fun, a lot of nice family fun. Like the video, comment down below what you think, and big up on yourself. So let's get into the video, okay?